three objects without eyes, and, perhaps, our best chance to see the third interstellar object. We received an image very similar to a photo taken by the Hubble telescope on July 21st. A glowing cylindrical object slowly glided across the Martian skyline. One of the Harvard professors proposed a theory that it might be part of alien technology. The object was captured by NASA's Perseverance rover on October 4th, 2025. A mere structure, moving at 134,000 miles per hour through our solar system. This is not an ordinary cosmic stone. It is three objects without eyes, the fastest interstellar visitor we have ever recorded. His behavior calls into question the fundamental assumptions of planetary science. The object is 28.6 miles wide and weighs over 72 trillion pounds. This is equivalent to compressing 10,000 Empire State Buildings into the volume of a city block. But here is what truly caught everyone's attention. When astrophysicist Avi Loeb from Harvard analyzed the image taken by the rover, he discovered something that challenges everything we knew about this mysterious visitor from beyond our solar system. If you are fascinated by cosmic mysteries and want to stay updated on the latest discoveries, don't forget to follow the news. We delve into the greatest mysteries of the universe. Three eyeless objects have entered our solar system in an unusual manner. They arrived at speeds that defy traditional comet behavior. The object was discovered on July 1st, 2025, and is moving nearly twice as fast as the previous record holders, Oumuamua and Comet Borisov. We are talking about a body that will take only 90 seconds to cover the distance from New York to Los Angeles. But speed is not the only thing that makes three eyeless objects unusual. Their hyperbolic trajectory confirms that they originated from deep space, where the solar system has no influence. Unlike ordinary comets that follow predictable elliptical orbits around the sun, three eyeless objects move on a one-way path through our cosmic vicinity. They came from the void and are heading back into the void, never to return. On October 3rd, 2025, something unprecedented occurred. Three eyeless objects approached Mars at a distance of 18 million miles. For the first time in human history, we had several robotic observers positioned to simultaneously capture an interstellar object from different angles. NASA's Perseverance rover on the planet's surface became our main platform for observing this cosmic event. The European Space Agency sent both Mars Express and the ExoMars Trace gas orbiter to track the visitor from orbit. Even the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, with its powerful high-quality camera, joined the observation campaign. But it was the navigation camera of the Perseverance rover that captured the image everyone is talking about. On October 4th, at 21 hours 33 minutes and 39 seconds local Martian time, the rover captured a photograph of what appeared to be a bright cylindrical object rapidly moving across the Martian sky. As soon as the image hit social media, the internet exploded with speculation. The object appeared as a perfect glowing cylinder. No irregular comet shape, no visible tail or coma, just a pure, structured form moving through space. Astronomy lovers and space enthusiasts immediately began to ask difficult questions. If this is a comet, then where are the characteristic dust and gas trails? Why does it look so artificially perfect? Some even suggested that it could be an alien mothership. This is where things get really interesting. Dr. Avi Loeb, an astrophysicist from Harvard who never fears challenging conventional wisdom, conducted a detailed analysis of a photograph taken by the Perseverance rover. His research reveals the true story behind this mysterious cylindrical object. The rover's navigation camera has an angular resolution of 33 hundredths of a milliradian per pixel. At a distance of 23.5 million miles from Mars during the filming, this corresponds to a spatial scale of approximately 7,800 miles per pixel. The elongated strip in the image is about 31,000 miles long. But here is the key detail that changes everything. Comet 3. I has a maximum diameter of only 28.6 miles. The object in the image is more than 1,000 times longer than a real comet could be. So what created this perfect cylindrical deception? The answer lies in photography and the incredible speed of our interstellar guest. The Perseverance rover did not capture 3i and Atlas in one frame. Instead, the navigation camera combined hundreds of images over about 10 minutes of observation. In these 10 minutes, 3 Atlas rockets raced across the Martian sky at a speed of 25.8 miles per second relative to Mars. Imagine trying to photograph a flying bullet with a long exposure. The bullet will appear as a bright streak in your image, rather than the small round object it actually is. This is what happened with the 3 Eyes Atlas. A prolonged integration created an artificial elongation as the comet passed through the camera's field of view. To confirm this theory, scientists compared an image from the Mars rover with observations made by the Hubble telescope on July 21st, 2025. If the 3i in the atlas were truly 31,000 miles long, it would appear as a massive strip in much more sensitive Hubble images. Instead, Hubble showed 3i and an atlas as a small dot, which was exactly what was expected from a comet 28.6 miles wide at that distance. Hubble images confirmed that the cylindrical appearance was purely an artifact of the rover's imaging technique, not evidence of an alien spacecraft. Despite having solved the riddle of the cylinder, the 3i atlas continues to present significant scientific challenges due to its unusual characteristics. The size of the 3i atlas object is simply incredible. With a mass of 72 trillion pounds and a diameter of 28.6 miles, it demonstrates an exceptionally high density, which is unusual for a typical icy comet. Comets usually consist mainly of frozen volatile substances, loose clusters of ice, dust, and rocks having relatively low density. However, 3i Atlas seems to have the density of solid rock or even a metallic composition. This represents a serious deviation from the expected characteristics of comets. Moreover, the object emits gases and forms patterns that do not conform to known physical models of comet behavior. As it approaches the sun, it should heat up and release water vapor and other volatile substances in a predictable manner. Instead, the 3i Atlas evaporates at rates and compositions that contradict established models. What does this mean for our understanding of space? The atlas represents something fundamentally important for astronomy. It is only the third confirmed interstellar object that we have ever discovered passing through our solar system. Each of them teaches us something completely new about what exists in the boundless space between the stars. Now, as we can coordinate observations from multiple spacecraft, rovers on planetary surfaces, orbital satellites around various worlds, and space telescopes, we have unprecedented opportunities to study these rare visitors. We are essentially creating a network of observations across the entire solar system. The 3i Atlas observation campaigns demonstrate how far our space technologies have advanced. The Perseverance cameras can detect objects millions of miles away with such precision that they can track their movement across the sky. The Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter achieved a resolution of 18.6 miles per pixel while capturing images of the 3i Atlas. It's like seeing a football field from 1,000 miles away. This technological achievement opens new possibilities for future discoveries. With the installation of more modern tools throughout the solar system, we will be able to study interstellar visitors with unprecedented detail. Atlas will be visible from Earth later this year, but its closest approach will be safe at 170 million miles, more than 4 times the distance from Earth to the Moon. There is no danger to our planet, but the opportunity for continued observations remains incredible. Scientists are already preparing for the next interstellar visitor. With improved detection networks and coordination protocols between space agencies, we will be ready to capture even more detailed observations of these cosmic wanderers. What makes the 3i Atlas truly special is not only its record speed, but also its mysterious density. This is what this discovery represents for humanity's growing ability to explore and understand our universe. We have come from barely noticeable objects to coordinating multi-space observational campaigns across the solar system. Every time an interstellar guest passes through our cosmic neighborhood, we gain a unique opportunity to explore what exists in the boundless space between the stars. These objects carry chemical signatures and physical properties that tell us about the formation of stars, the evolution of planetary systems, and the distribution of matter in our galaxy. The perfect glowing cylinder that captivated everyone's imagination turned out to be a photographic artifact, but the real interstellar object, named 3i Atlas, is much more fascinating than any theories about extraterrestrial spacecraft. This is a messenger from interstellar space who holds secrets about the birth and death of stars, the formation of planetary systems, and the incredible diversity of objects floating in the cosmic ocean. As we continue to expand the boundaries of space exploration and develop more advanced detection and observation technologies, guests like Tri and Atlas remind us that the universe is full of surprises waiting to be discovered. Each new interstellar object teaches us something completely unexpected about the environment we call home. If this immersion into the world of Tri and Atlas has awakened your curiosity about the mysteries of the cosmos, don't forget to support us and leave a comment telling us which cosmic mystery you would like us to explore next. And if among your acquaintances there are space enthusiasts, share this video with them. They will be grateful to you.